to Secrets, Riviera Cancun. This is our Junior King Tropical View. First, we have the wet bar. Coffee, I think. I'm going to get cappuccinos downstairs all week. We have a complimentary Belvedere. Shaker, also probably won't use that, but we also have martini glasses that we got at the airport. Okay, mini bar. We have, that pulls out. We also have requested that we're going to get ice every day. We have glasses, a couple shots, Pringles, which are our favorite. And then we also have some more coffee options down here. And then the mini bar, which has water and a bunch of different sodas and juices. But we have also requested that we just get Sprite and water. So you can do that as well, which we appreciate. We have a concierge who's going to help us all week, which we're also really excited about. This is a fun little secret door. So whenever we order room service, which is also 24/7, they will deliver it here. And then when we're done eating, we just put all of our dishes here. So this is an easy way for us to get room service. Maybe if we're not dressed or not, I don't know, wanting to deal with people. Okay, closet, which is my favorite part because we have robes and slippers. We also have a safe, which we use religiously. They also include umbrellas because if you've been to Mexico, it could rain at any given moment. And then the next second, it'll be sunny. So we have that, which is a nice touch. Slippers, robes, I will wear these every day. Extra pillows, blankets, storage, lots of storage, hangers, etc. All right, now the bathroom. We have the toilet, which also has a phone, just in case. You never know when you might need to make a phone call or answer for room service. And then we have the double vanity, which has towels, all kinds of towels, hair dryer, and then we have vanity kit, shoe mitt, shower cap, dental kit, just in case you forgot. And then we have body lotion, shampoo, conditioner, sunscreen, complimentary, tissues, incense, which is our favorite part. We have already requested more and we'll be taking some home. And then again, double vanity, glasses. And then in the middle of the room, we have our shower, which has two shower heads, rainfall. And then we also have the shower thing that comes with a cord. I don't know what it's called, but yeah, okay. I thought I'd figure it out that way. I can't, but that's okay. Shower, nice and big. Then we have mirror for makeup, mirror for looking. Then we have our nice king size bed, which also has lamps on either side, just in case, you want to do some light reading or take a selfie. I don't know. We also can control different things here. Then we have the iPad, which we can also control lights and temperature control, activities, dining. We can do pretty much everything from this iPad. I'm not going to touch it because anything can happen with the iPad. Okay. Then if you just want to hang out, couch here, chair here, couple drawers, another phone, a notepad just in case you need to write something down, somebody's name, My second favorite part, I don't know, debatable as first favorite part. The balcony with the jacuzzi. And this is supposed to be a tropical view, but I would call this an ocean view. That looks like an ocean view to me. And we are filling up the jacuzzi, which will be used a lot this week. And we also have some chairs. And the ocean. This is supposed to be a tropical view, but it's clearly an ocean view. Welcome to Secrets, Riviera Cancun. And now you're looking at the Rosewater Restaurant, which is just for the Preferred Club. And those are our friends. This is home for the next 5 days. That's home for the